Hello everyone, welcome to another Moments with Lorraine. In this video, I'm going to be making these whimsical Christmas napkin holders. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and leave your comments below. I will leave all the supplies I use in the description box below. I found these painted yourself wooden snowmen at my local Dollar Tree. I am now filling in the snowman with some white puffy paint that I found at my local Michael's store. It's found in the paint section that you would use to design t-shirts. My husband taught me that if paint is sealed shut, just give it a few good taps with something hard and it will open right up. And this works really good with Mod Podge also. I am now painting the back side of the wooden snowman. I am now going to design the front side of these little Santas. I am now painting the back side of these little Santas. I'm only doing one color, seeing this side will really not be seen. And these are the painted back side of the napkin holders. They are 3D. You will see as we go along what I mean. You will see why I painted an orange patch in the middle of the face in a minute. I am using Puffy paint as the trim on Little Santa's suit. I squeezed Puffy paint all over Santa's face, but I'm going to open it up with a paintbrush so you can see the orange part that is supposed to be Santa's mouth. They turned out really cute, but they are not finished. I will let them dry and get back to them later. Meanwhile, I bought these lights from the Dollar Tree. Once the paint is fully dried, I'm going to add a layer of Mod Podge so I can add some glitter. While everything else is drying, I'm going to paint these Jenga blocks that I bought at my local Dollar Tree. These are going to go in between the 2 layers of the snowman and the 2 layers of the little Santas. If you were a little confused about what I meant earlier, here's exactly what I mean. It is now time to glue the Jenga blocks in between the little snowman and the little Santa, causing a 3D effect. Now that the first coat of Mod Podge is dried, it is now time to put on a second coat of Mod Podge and get these babies glittered up again. As you can see, my daughter and I tried to design the snowman. We don't claim to be world-renowned artists, but we gave it our best shot. I am now adding glitter to the top layer of this flower. I already had these flowers at the house, and I thought instead of going out and buying more flowers, just use what I have here at the house. Tap, tap, tap to loosen that lid. You will notice the second layer of these flowers do not have any glitter. I'm going to apply some Mod Podge so when it dries, the petals will be nice and stiff. Now that the petals are nice and stiff from the dried Mod Podge, it is now time to put them together with some hot glue. There was a terrible accident. When I was opening the black paint, it spilled across Leroy and Jack, so they are no longer with us. I had to improvise and cover them with some bling wrap. This is such a sad moment for my daughter and I. We spent so much time decorating Leroy and Jack, and now they're gone. I am now sticking Santa on the hardened flowers with some hot glue. These little Santas are almost finished. They are so cute. It is now time to glue the snowman down onto the petals. I am now going to glue the napkin rings on the back of the little Santas and the snowman. These turned out absolutely cute and whimsical for the holidays. I'm sure you can add more lights to yours if you need to. If you like what you have seen today, please leave a comment below. I'm sure the rest of us would love to know your thoughts. And also, please like, share, and subscribe. thanks for watching. Until next time, all of you stay safe and take care and happy holidays.